Today's very special episode is all about lip balms, the inspiration behind our unique flavors, and how you can do it too. We also leave a special surprise for our friend on their doorstep. All of that and more in Vlogmas Day 14.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's vlog, day 14 of Vlogmas. Today I gotta make a batch of lip balms, and then later on tonight, Jarek and I have dental appointments. We gotta go get our teeth cleaned. Why are you always so jealous when it's time for Jiggy to eat? There's a little bit of wet food for you. I don't know if you can see, but Jiggy is on the garbage can right to the side of the island. If you want to be in the shot, come on, let's go for our second out of the day. Come on. So there have been a few times when Dempsey's kind of hurried out over here. She's actually gone pee here on the snow, which then goes through the deck. So I always try to get out in front of her and have her go down the stairs first. Go on, girl, go pee. Gibbs, come here. Come here. Drop it. And sit. Okay. Good boy. All right, let's get going on those lip balms now. One of the things Jerica and I love about our Apple Watches is the app on it that acts like a walkie-talkie. Hey. Is there any preference of lip butter that you'd like me to make?
No.
Okay, so I was thinking about making more orange mango spice because we're only down to one of those left, and the order also contains one of those, so we would be at 0.
Sounds good.
Copy that, over and out. So now that those are melting down, we are going to mix our flavors that we're going to put in the lip balms. Next step is to put our lip balm tubes into the tray that we will then pour them into. So we have a little downtime while those lip balms are finishing to melt down. In the meantime, we've gotten a few more orders, so I'm going to start prepping those. Actually, these still feel just the slightest bit soft. So I'm actually going to let these harden another couple hours or maybe overnight. All right, very good on that. Now that we got the lip balms poured, we're just gonna put them in the refrigerator and come back to them either later tonight or probably most likely tomorrow.
So are there any packages that you need to get out the door today or no?
I'm gonna work on packages tomorrow.
Hi, Kayla's been doing a really good job of vlogging for me while I'm editing. So I hope you enjoyed that footage, but here are my earrings of the day. You guys really like those cat earrings. I think, what did you call them? Gigi earrings?
Yeah.
It says on the earring package, Kiki Delivery. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I just really like the fact that there are cats on there. And for today's earrings, it is that same cat with a mug and the matching earring on the other side with a cuff. Cats and mugs are two of my favorite things. And in an earring, I think it looks awesome. Kayla and I are gonna grab a lunch, take you with us. So this fell, we need to repair that. This is where it was.
Somebody hung that up with just screws and no drywall anchors.
Yeah.
So I wonder who that was.
So you, Gibbs? Is there any packages? Oh, there is! Oh, look. Oh. Looks like you got something from Staples.
Oh, yep. I ordered some boxes from Staples. Oh, yeah.
Good boy, Gibbs. And what's that?
I ordered two bundles of boxes.
Did you get frill?
No. We got frill a few days ago. I think this is just a box with boxes in it.
Oh.
I don't know why.
It is.
They would, yeah. I mean, they delivered this one just in the bundle, but then...
Well, looks like we got a free box.
Hey, we could use this box potentially.
We definitely can.
This is, oh yeah, this is a decent size box.
We actually have a few more errands. We're gonna go grocery shopping. We'll take you along with us for that. And we wanted to gift one of Nima's mulled wine candles to our friend Jenny, who has really helped us out this year with a lot of stuff, and we are just really grateful to have her as a friend. Her and her husband Ian are awesome people, so we're gonna just drop this off without telling them at their house. Just leave it in their like front doorstep.
It's the only seasoning that they're out of.
Kale's gone to drop off the candle at Ian and Jenny's house, and he's running off. Did you leave it on their porch?
I put it on the chair on their front porch. Okay. And I was holding my keys because I didn't want the dog to hear me.
Their dog Daisy is a big barker, and she's a really good guard dog, so you gotta be really, really quiet. Christmas surprises!
Hey, I'm back. It is now evening time. I went and picked up Jerica from her dental appointment. Everybody's back home now. She's upstairs. Yeah, when I was working with these lip balms a little bit earlier, they were still a little bit too hard. They hadn't been out of the fridge all that long, so I think they'll be a lot better now. The two flavors of lip balms that we have, French vanilla. I always want to say French lavender, just because it rolls off the tongue more. But we have French lavender and orange mango spice, and I want to talk to you a little bit about inspiration for specifically orange mango spice, but also for some of the other blends that we have. The orange mango spice lip balm that we have is a popular seller. People are intrigued by it both in person, and it's a good seller online as well. But the inspiration for that, the combination of flavors, and what we use to flavor it is a little bit of orange essential oil, mango flavor oil, and the spice in there is cinnamon leaf essential oil. Now, it's important to note that cinnamon leaf essential oil can cause irritation for people. It is safe to use, but some people just may react with a little bit of irritation. Nobody has reported that to us though. But it is also good to go to EOCalc and look at your safe usage rates before formulating some of these combinations. But the orange mango spice actually is inspired from a smoothie flavor. It sounds weird, orange mango spice. There's only just a little bit of cinnamon in there. The taste of the lip balm is sweet. You get that orange and the mango, and the cinnamon really comes on afterwards. Another one of our popular lip balm blends is Balm Beach Breeze. This is blueberry flavor oil, pina colada flavor oil, and spearmint essential oil. And again, this one is actually inspired by a smoothie shop in town that in Midland that used to be where Jerica and I lived. And this is from Mega Mindful Living, and they had great smoothies. Jarek and I went down their menu a couple times. Let's see if this will focus here. And the Palm Beach Breeze is actually inspired by their Georgian Shores Moonlight up there. The flavors of this one are blueberry, pineapple, spinach, kale, ginger, and almond milk. We don't put all those flavors in ours. We do the blueberry, the pina colada for the pineapple, and then we added a little bit of mint in there, a little bit of spearmint for that kind of kick at the end. One of our other very popular blends is our coffee mint. This one is coffee flavor oil and spearmint essential oil as well. This one's a little bit different in the fact that when I put it on, when I taste it, everybody's different, but you get the two together. You get the coffee and the mint together, whereas the ones before, kind of the cinnamon and the mint kind of came afterwards, but the coffee mint is a good blend and it all kind of comes right at once. It's a really popular flavor for us, especially late in the summer going into fall. That's a good seller. I'm trying to think of some other blends we've done. I know in the past we had a customer that came to one of our farmers markets. They could not get enough lavender. We have lavender pretty much in some sort of lavender blend in every one of our products. I mean, we have soap, bath bombs, shampoo bars, conditioner bars, sugar scrubs, lotions, body butters, but they wanted some sort of lavender lip balm. Jarek and I kind of talked about it, got the wheels going, and we kind of concocted like a lavender vanilla lip balm. It was mostly vanilla flavor oil and maybe a little bit of French vanilla flavor oil, maybe a little bit of cupcake in there as well. And it had a little bit of a lavender essential oil, and that really went a long ways, and it was a perfect blend. They were really happy with it. We only made one batch of that. Maybe we should bring that back in the future. So the blends that we use are not just blends with essential oils. Sometimes we just simply combine a couple different flavor oils together. Like our Georgian Bay Berry blend is just a combination of the blueberry acai and raspberry flavors. So Jarek and I had this notes document. I mean, it's all the different kind of formulations that we've made of lip balms. Some of them we have still, a lot of them we still make, but a lot of them we don't. And there's just different combinations of different flavor oils. Like, we haven't made this one in a while. We're out of the flavor oil, but bubblegum was a combination of bubblegum flavor oil, French vanilla flavor oil, and cupcake, if you can believe it or not. That cupcake kind of gave it a little bit more sweetness to the bubblegum lip balm. For one of our blends, and it was actually another one from Mega Mindful Living, the smoothie place, it was our Harbor Sunset. We had 4 different flavor oils or essential oils as a combination. We had strawberry, we had banana, we had mango, and then we had a little bit of orange essential oil in that one. In our vanilla mint, we have vanilla, French vanilla, and then spearmint. So here are our shaved down and tubed lip balms. The next step after this would be to print off our labels and put those on, but I'm pretty beat. It's getting late in the night. That's what we do around here, is we go into the late hours, but I think I'm just gonna save this for tomorrow. It also didn't help that you had all that, mouth open and, scratching and scalpels, grinding against your teeth and everything. So that always kind of takes it out of you after you go for a dental appointment. Although maybe it's a little bit strategic having your dental appointment in the evening, so then you can just go to bed soon afterwards. Hello.
Hi.
What you doing up here?
Probably with Dempsey watching some YouTube. She is so precious.
Looks like Dempsey kicked this pillow off the floor.
Yeah.
The one that my mother made that says call your mother. Dempsey.
She is such a pillow kicker. She takes after you, Kale. You like to kick pillows off.
What are you talking about? I kick pillows
Kale
off.
doesn't like throw pillows.
Yep. Yeah, you're right. There can be a thing as too many throw pillows.
How did the lip balms go?
They went well. They're a good consistency. I shaved them all down. They're in their tubes. I was just telling the vlog, though, that I'm just going to wait till tomorrow to put the labels on.
Yeah. It's time to end the day.
Yep.
Thank you so much for helping me with that.
Of course. Yep. That's what I do.
Before we end the vlog, I wanted to say quickly thank you so much for helping us reach 90,000 subscribers. I wanted to wait before thanking you guys, because you never know with YouTube, sometimes the number will go up and down. I didn't want to say thank you for 90,000 and then it dipped to 89 and I look like someone who has egg on their face.
And then we're stagnant and it just doesn't get above that.
Yeah, the internet's forever. So I waited until we were at least 90.1 before thanking you guys. But honestly, this YouTube journey has been such a fun ride, and getting to grow such a supportive, loving community where we all are so excited about the same soapy stuff is just a special thing. So thank you so much for liking us and for wanting to watch us over 2 years. It's just been so cool. And we can't wait to see where it goes in another 2 years.
Yes, a big thank you for all of the subscribers, for all of the followers, to each and every one of you that watch, that comment, that like. Thank you.
Every little bit helps. Leaving that thumbs up, that helps. Leaving a message that you liked how Kale cooks, or how you think some of our animals remind you guys of your animals. Little messages like that are so sweet, and we love reading them, and we talk about them at the end of the day, how special all of you guys, not just some, you guys are all special. If you want the recipe and the flavor combination for those lip balms that Kale made today, that's going to be on the Patreon. And speaking of the Patreon, thank you to our patrons. You guys are also so special and so awesome and so generous, especially these guys. My Vocal BFFs. Kale's wearing another dark shirt.
I'm gonna wear a light shirt tomorrow just to
mess with
just
you.
to yep.
But if you want to support Kale and I by becoming a patron, there's a link to that down below as well. And I think that's it for the night. We just had our teeth cleaned, we're tired, and I think we're gonna close the vlog out right here. Until the next one, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and have a happy holidays. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Gibson,
At one
sit.
point, he dropped that right on the pillow.
Oh, he did?
Yep.
Gibson, sit. Oh, no, that's not a sit at all. Oh. Okay, Gibson,
Sit.
sit.
Good
Good boy.
Good boy.